Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another virtual tour of this nice Spree Escape. Nice lightweight model. It's the 201 BH. This is going to be their new premier high-end lightweight. It's about 3,400 pounds, so very easily towable by mid-size SUVs like Honda Pilots or whatever you may have. It's got the beautiful fiberglass exterior with the new graphics. It's got the beautiful aluminum wheels on there as well. We have a nice big power awning, lighted power awning that covers the majority of the trailer here. We've got nice outside speakers as well. Makes that sort of a fun experience outside. Along the back here, we will have prep for wireless backup camera. It's all ready to go for that. It also does have cable preparations in case you're at a KOA campground or something and it started raining. You would have cable TV capabilities. It's also solar prepped, so you can plug in a solar panel very easily, whatever solar panel you would like. And let's take a look inside here. First of all, it has a solid step here, which is going to be much preferable. Trust me, it's a lot more solid. But really, it gives you a nice firm step. It doesn't give like a lot of the other trailers do. Has a nice handle here too for easy access to get in and out. It also has this cool screen thing that actually closes the screen for you automatically if you left it open. And it does have the friction hinge for the door too, so you don't have to latch the door anymore. You can kind of keep it in any position you'd like. So let's take a look inside here. We've got the Murphy bed, which is a really smart idea on these lightweights. We've been getting questions about this for years. When can I get a Murphy bed in a lightweight? Well, here it is. This is in the sofa configuration. It has an actual full mattress in there, full queen size mattress. When it comes down, it doesn't even look like it's a Murphy bed. KZ does a great job with their Amish made quality of making that look just like a normal bed. You really can't even tell it's a Murphy bed when it's down. I can't do that one-handed, otherwise I would show you how that all works. It's pretty straightforward. I do have it on some of my other videos, like I believe the 231 BHK Connect has this down, showing you how that looks. There is a nice TV area right up here where you can mount a flat screen. There will be storage on both sides as well, which is a nice plus. Been getting asked about that a lot as well. Lots of windows throughout here too, make it feel really nice and open. You also have this nice big slide out here, this power slide out. You can easily fit 4 people there, so I mean, beautiful, nice big slide out, makes everything feel a lot bigger in here. So it does make a big difference. You can easily sit 4 here. It also has in the kitchen here another very everybody's been asking about it. This has the convection microwave. This will bake, this will grill and microwave all in one. So they've finally gotten this in their lightweight models. You know, this is going to be their really premium lightweight model, and of course it has the nicer appliances like the convection microwave. We also have the nice 2-burner stove, plenty of cabinetry all throughout. Nice deep sink there as well. There's a sound system, of course, that you have 2 speakers inside, 2 speakers outside. We have the nice big 6 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer that'll work on propane or electricity. That's going to be a little nicer if you're planning on camping without electricity. You can run this straight off the propane. And in our bunk areas, we have a window in the bottom here. And we do have lights on both of the bunk areas, of course. There's also a little bit of clothing storage here, which is really a smart idea. There's sort of a spot for hanging clothes, plenty of room for like folded clothes and things like that. So again, a very sought after thing that people have been asking about. So you will have that. Really nice bathroom in here too. Can't say enough about the bathroom. You have the nice, nice surround now. It doesn't just have the regular walls on the shower. It's got an actual shower surround. We've got the nice foot flush toilet down there. We'll have a little bit of storage. We'll have a sink. We'll have a medicine cabinet. So a full bathroom and a nice, 20-foot lightweight trailer here. Really nice bathroom. Absolutely great. And it also has the larger 13,500 BTU air conditioner, so that'll get things cool in here in a hurry. That's the same air conditioner they use in all the larger models. So absolutely a fantastic trailer, very versatile in terms of, having a sofa. A lot of people want that. And then, the bed comes down very, very easily. You have a real mattress. It's not like a cheap folding foam type mattress like you've seen in Murphy beds in the past. And it doesn't really look like it's a Murphy bed at all when it's down. So that combined with the slide out and the nice exterior makes this one really one to look at, especially if your weight limit is right in that 4,000 to 5,000 pound range. So again, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, and I'd be happy to help you with this one. The number here is 414-281-6330, and also check out our website for current pricing and stock availability. That's advancedcamping.com. And if you like this video and want to see more, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.